Have you ever sent an email and wondered, wait, should this person be in the CC or am I supposed to have put him under BCC? Today, in less than 3 minutes, you finally understand the differences between the receiver, then the CC, which is carbon copy, and the BCC, which is blind carbon copy. And trust me, if you make a wrong click, this can cause you a very serious embarrassment, especially if you work in a corporate organization. Now, let's start with the easiest one, which is the receiver. So this is the main person you are talking to, the main person the email is meant for. Now, let's move on to the next one, which is the carbon copy. CC. Carbon copy is basically saying, hey, this email is not mainly for you, but I want you to see what's going on. Maybe you are emailing your boss, but you want your colleagues to stay informed. So your boss email goes under to, while your colleagues' own goes under CC. And here's the important part. Every email that you put under CC, they will see others that were also put under CC with them. If they are 100, all the 100 email addresses will see that, oh, 100 of us were copied in this message. Then they will see that, okay, the message was actually meant for 2, but we were carried along with the message. But the last one, which is the sneaky one, is blind carbon copy. The blind carbon copy is sneaky because it allows someone to receive the message, the email, secretly. It's like you are talking from your room, okay, but you are speaking so loudly that the next flat they can get to hear you, but the person you were talking to didn't know that you were tactically sending the messages to others in other flats. So they were disconnected to you, but they all got the message. Okay, now when we are talking about BCC allows someone to receive the email secretly. Nobody else can see they got the email. Any email that you put under CCs and BCC, that is blind carbon copy, if they are 100, each of those 100 will receive the message differently, but each of them will see email addresses that are under 2. They will see the email addresses that are under carbon copy. What that implies is that when you send a message and you put email addresses under 2, their email addresses stay hidden, clean and professional and private. Now, this is where things get interesting. Some people use BCC like undercover agents. Imagine 2 colleagues arguing through email. Meanwhile, the person that started the fight had added the HR email under BCC. So they will be having the fight. The third person wouldn't know that the HR is seeing all that was going on. But it could get messed up if the HR goes emotional to reply. It is then the third person will know, oh, so I've been messing myself up all along. So that's the reason I say it is sneaky, because if you misuse it, it can bring a distrust. Like the person will like, oh, I can't trust you again. You shouted out of the roof for the next flat to hear. Now the next flat is the BCC. Okay, now let's be honest. Before this video, were you actually using the CC and BCC correct? Thank you very much for listening to the video. If this video is helpful and help every other video that I've made, kindly subscribe, share and like, and don't forget to please share this with anyone that you think deals very frequently with email, because they will need this so that they don't get themselves messed up. Thank you.